Everybody, how you guys doing today? Welcome to lesson 12.10. In this lesson, we just learn how to deal with lists, different things that we can do to a list. And I think I will show you a trick at the end of this lesson. So I promise I'm going to show you a trick. So we have you guys know that I actually, whilst you guys were away, I created a new list called new t. And basically all the new t had was it has 3467.90. It has a string called both go, and it has another string called stingy. Okay, and you guys know if I want to print the whole list, I can just do something like new t, and I'm gonna use the operator, the new thing that we learned in the previous video, and it will just show me everything. Okay, and you guys also know that to add stuff to the list, I mean to add items to the end of the list, we can just say new t, and we'll say dot append. And then I said new t is an object, but we're going to learn more about objects later. So I'll just call the function append, and I would just say, I would say funky. Okay, I'll add the string funky to the end of the list. Now if I say new t, it will have funky at the end. That's basic. That's everybody knows that by now. Okay. So the next thing that we want to learn about, a new function called extend. So what the extend function allows you to do is it allows you to add multiple items at a time. Okay. So right now we only know how to add one item at the end of the list. Well, the extend function that we're going to talk about next allows you to add multiple items to your list at a time. So to invoke the function, all you have to do is we hit new t, the list new t dot, just like the way we do the append. So we just say new t dot, and then we'll say extend. And because it's a function, we have to open brackets, and to add the items, we'll just say sorry, we'll just say tie. One of the items is called tie. Another item is called 89. Another item is a float of 90.0, right? And then close, and then yep, and then close this, and then do enter. So basically, what you guys have to know is that the multiple items that we are adding, they have to be enclosed in square bracket. So see over here, I have one square. I have the regular bracket, and then I have square brackets. Okay, so the multiple items they have to be in the square brackets. And now if I say, oh, I added it again. So now you guys, I should have multiple. Now if I say new t, if you guys don't understand, I'll explain why that happened. And see, I have tie 89, 89. I have tie 89 90.0. I have tie 89 90.0 because I added this twice. That's all. That's the reason why we see it there. Also, so you guys see that the extend function just allows you to add multiple things at a time. Another way that we can do is that, let's say, another cool thing we can do with the list is that, let's say we want to insert like an item at a specific location. So let's say instead of adding it to the end of the list, we want to add it to the beginning of the list, or we want to add it to the middle of the list. Well, there is a function for that. That's the beauty of programming. Almost, well, not everything, but most of the things that we're going to there's a function for that. So that function is called insert. Okay, so I'll say new t, that's the list. Okay, and I will say dot insert. Okay, the insert, and I will say I want it to be inserted at, how, again, you guys know that the index start from 0. So if I want to change the element at index 3, or that is stingy, 0 1 2 3. So if I want to change stingy, first thing I'll tell it that, hey, I want you to look, I'll say Python, I want you to look at index 3. So index 3 will be 0 1 2 3. So now the target is at index 3, that is stingy, and I'll say I don't want stingy no more. I want friendly. Well, if you are stingy, though, I don't know, friendly, whatever. Yeah. Okay. And if I hit enter, now if I print, I don't even have to put print, but if I put new t, I will print the element at 3, and I should get friendly. Okay, the stingy got replaced with friendly. If you guys don't believe me and you guys want to see it, I will print everything inside and I'll say new T, printing everything inside the list. And right there, friendly is stingy is gone. Now stingy is friendly. So you guys see how we add stuff to the list. Okay, so basically that is how we add stuff. That's how we add stuff at a given position. We know how to extend the list with multiple items, and also we know how to add to the end of the list with append. Okay, there's a subtle difference between extend and append. Okay, with append, you are adding just one item, and with extend, you're adding multiple items. You guys will say, oh, wait a minute, I can do that. But I bet you, if you do it, you're just adding just one item. If you use append, believe me, you're just using if you're using append, you're only appending one item to the end of the list. Okay? You're only appending one item to the end of the list. You can try and say, let's try it. Let me show you what I'm saying. Let's see. And I'll say over here, you guys was like, hey, Python, I'm smarter than you. I want to trick you. I'll say funky, comma, dinky, comma, do. So basically, these are all items. Okay, these funky, dinky, do is just one item that is supposed to be added to the end of the list. Let's hit enter and see with the magic that is going to happen. Okay, now if I print, if I print new T, right there, see 34, 67. All you have to care about is that at the end, funky, dinky, do. It just took all the things and then put it at the end, right? That's what. Look at the difference between here. You see here, over here doesn't have square brackets. Well, over here it has square bracket, and it's telling you that the last item, although it looks like it's 3, the last item in sense is actually funky, dinky, do. If you guys don't believe me, let's count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 12th, let's tell Python that we want the 12th item. So we'll say new T, 12, funky dinky do. See, funky dinky do. Why did they return three things? Well, that's the last element in the list. That's the last item in the list. I hope you guys understand what I did. I want you guys to read the book, play around with the functions, and try out some example. And if you get stuck, just let me know. Oh, one thing before I let you guys go, I want to show you a trick. Okay, so if you're an idle, all you can do is that you can type help. Okay, we talked about help. If you don't remember, just type help, and you should type list, because all these things that we're creating are lists. You just type list, and you see over here it comes append, count. All these are functions that you can use on the list. Okay, pop, remove, reverse, sort. We're going to be talking more about it. If it seems confusing, just close it and just go along with me. But until then, guys, we'll see you in the next video.